Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. Today I have a very fun video for you guys where I'm gonna walk you through our very first apartment, my husband and I. It has been about a year of us living here, close to. I think in 2 months we'll hit a year. And we've loved living here. It is just everything that I could imagine for this apartment has. And so that's why I'm very excited to share with you guys the layout, the furniture, and some of the pieces that I got for this place. I will try to have a lot of the furniture or things linked. If not, it just means I don't remember or it's out of stock. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna go ahead and hold my camera and walk you through so you guys can go ahead and see clearly and to make sure I'm not rambling. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Alright guys, so right as you enter the apartment, we have a storage closet where we go ahead and put a lot of our winter coats and coats that we just would like to store there instead of in our regular closet. We also have a bin down there to store some shoes and some luggage, as well as more luggage up there. So it's really handy having this closet and nothing much in here. So off to the left of the door, we have our entry table. This is where we go ahead and place our keys all the time and where I like to put some of our family pictures and cards that we've gotten for the holidays or for birthdays. So this is a cute little area. I also got this elephant painting from a Swedish brand called Desenio. I will go ahead and link them in the description box. This table, marble table, or fake marble table, is from Macy's. And so you'll see later that I got a coffee table for the living room that matches exactly. So yeah, the lighting is kind of bad so you can't really see the elephant. But, so next we also have in-unit laundry. So this is kind of our laundry space where we go ahead and do all the laundry. And it's more storage where I store some toilet paper and tissue paper and more luggages and more cleaning supplies, as you guys can see. So it's awesome having laundry in the unit, can't complain. Just off of the laundry, we have a full body mirror that I got from IKEA. Super cheap, I think it was under $200, $120 if I think correctly. It's awesome to have to check ourselves out before we leave the house. Also for selfies and outfit pics. So if you guys see a lot of pictures of me standing here, this is where I do it. I'll go ahead and link the mirror in the description box for you guys so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But let's keep going. So as you guys can see, here is our living room space. A lot of light comes in. Right now I have the curtains closed because it would bring too much light in and probably not look good on camera. So I'm going to show you guys from this point of view what the apartment looks like as well for the living room space. A lot of light comes in here, and so a lot of you guys have been asking where I got our couches from. Those are also from Macy's. We got lucky and snatched two during their spring sale. So as you guys can see, I think this is suede, I believe. I'm not sure, I could be so wrong. But we got a long version, and then we also got a minier version. And as you guys can see, the feet have gold accents on it, so it makes it even more chic and stylish in my opinion. And then what I did was I grabbed two of these really soft blankets from Home Goods, I believe. And here I also got the blue pillows from World Market, and then these from Home Goods as well, which I think were Calvin Klein, but were on sale for a really good price. Then I also went ahead and grabbed this awesome fake plant from Target. I got a lot of stuff from Target as well. So Target, Macy's, Home Goods, World Market, IKEA. This carpet is from Target as well. It does take a lot of work to maintain because it is white, but I think it looks really good with all the furniture that we have. And as I mentioned earlier, this coffee table matches our entry table. And sorry guys, I'm just kind of going out of order just from what I see, but what I did here was I really wanted something minimal for the coffee table. So I got a vase that sometimes I put in real flowers and switch it up once in a while, but I got these fake succulents from IKEA for really cheap as well. All right, so on to the TV section area. The TV stand is from IKEA. I love it so much because it's very simple and minimal, and I think everyone probably has this one. But I keep a lot of stuff hidden in here. I have all my cameras. I hold both of my cameras there, and my, I forgot what these are called, Polaroid camera, and some storage in there with my German flashcards, and more camera equipment is hidden there. This lovely little side lamp I got back in college, I think my freshman year, but I still have it. It's from Urban Outfitters. And then this crystal that I got for sale, on sale, is from West Elm. Shout out to President's Day at Best Buy. We went ahead and snatched this awesome TV. We don't have cable actually in our house. We choose not to. We have a lot of streaming services like Netflix and Hulu and HBO, so we choose to use that instead of cable. So above the lovely TV, I have more artwork from Desenio, the Swedish brand, and I might be saying it wrong. And on the other side of the TV, I have this awesome hourglass in gold that I found at World Market, I believe. And so as mentioned earlier, here's just the other awesome blanket that we got for this side. And yeah, that kind of concludes this area of the apartment. Before I forget and move on, I wanted to share with you guys our majestic tree look-alike. It is artificial. I got it from Target, I think, but I have actually killed the real one we got from IKEA, hence why I went with an artificial one from Target. The basket is from IKEA, and I just kind of love it. I don't have to worry about it, and honestly, a lot of people have mistaken it for being real. So yeah. So before actually going to the kitchen, this is where Morton and I share a lot of our dinners or meals together. I absolutely love this cute little table because we don't have a big enough space for a larger dining table. We got this one from IKEA as well, and it's awesome. We got these chairs together from World Market on sale, and we got pretty lucky, and I just love how it looked. This is our cute little corner for all of our seasonings, which I got as a lovely gift from my aunt. I got that lovely plant from Home Goods, I believe, as well. So this is our microwave, our lovely stove. What else? We keep our cups in that drawer, and then a lot of more storage goes up there. Let's see. We also have our lovely Keurig cup. I only drink coffee in this lovely family of ours. So this is obviously our microwave, oven stove. This is where we keep all of our cups and wine glass. We have more wine glasses up here. And then on this side, we have all of our lovely dishes that I got from World Market. So here's our fridge with family pictures. A lot of frozen vegetables and fruit. And we just went grocery shopping because it is Saturday today and we have to meal prep tomorrow on Sunday. So on this side, it's our pantry where we keep all of our spices, oats, pasta, all of our containers, bagel, olive oil, and rice cooker. We just kind of make do with the space we have. So this is the hallway that takes us to the rest of the apartment. I'm gonna go to the bathroom first. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our bathroom. Nothing special. Very cute. Love the floors. Rug, I think, was from Home Goods. This is our sink. We both have electrical toothbrushes. Hallelujah. Our good old mirror, hello. There's our good old shower. Another Desenio piece that I love, and I think it fits perfect for the bathroom. Water. It's kind of cramped right here, but this is more storage for us where all the products we use on a regular basis sit, and then extra towels. and a scale. So that kind of concludes the bathroom. Alright guys, so this is our second bedroom. Obviously you guys can see here my awesome vanity that I've created. I bought the table actually from Craigslist or something, and it's just another vanity table from IKEA. I got the awesome storage from Target. It stores all the products that I love and use, and obviously not all at the same time, but this is where I store a lot of them. So as you guys can see, I have a lot of makeup stored in there. Also, I keep a lot here, and I bought these little pockets from IKEA as well. I obviously need to reorganize. This is trash, but it does help store things. This awesome mirror is from Target. It was like 50 or 60 bucks. I think a lot of people have it. More products where I store my equipment for filming, and then more storage I bought from IKEA. No, Target. On this side, I also have a corporate job, and having 2 monitors at home helps tremendously. So I bought it with a keyboard and then a desk from IKEA and a chair from IKEA, and then another side storage for files from IKEA. This awesome fig tree that everyone asks about, it's from Home Goods, and I snatched it pretty quickly. As you guys can see, my husband played soccer his whole life and actually played in college at Wisconsin, so they gave him a jersey as a senior. Also, I want to note that this is majority white and blank because I like to film sitting there and have that as my background, and it's easier with a white clean space instead of having other stuff there that I would have to move constantly. As you guys can see, a lot of light comes into this apartment in general, so it's a huge factor as to why we picked this place and decided to go ahead and sign a lease here. It's just such a huge factor, and it makes such a big difference, especially as like a content creator. Lighting is key for the selfies. But anyways, I just had to stop and capture this awesome lighting. Let's go ahead and look at our master bedroom. Alright guys, so this is our master bedroom. It's huge because it obviously fits our king size bed, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. There's a lot of nights where I'm like, where is my husband? I don't feel him, I don't see him. So as you guys can tell, I sleep on this side. I love sleeping with a satin pillowcase. So the side table is from IKEA. It has 2 drawers where I keep things in there, like my Kindle, and I got these awesome, I don't know if you guys can see, side table lamps from World Market. I thought they were awesome, and I don't know if you guys can see, but when I turn the light on, it has kind of a warm light to it. My mom got these pictures for us. So I wanted to show you guys the other pieces of artwork I got from Desenio. It's these 2 gold frames with palm leaves or majestic palm. I'm not sure, but I absolutely loved them. It just kind of felt like it fit the vibe. So here is our laundry basket from World Market. I absolutely love it. Like I said, it was definitely a vibe in this bedroom, and I think it fits perfectly. Here is the rug from Wayfair, I believe. Here is our drawer with another round circle mirror, but this mirror is actually from West Elm with a bronze kind of frame to it. Here's our drawer. This one is also from IKEA. They all kind of look the same. They're from the same family. Then we have all of the perfume that we use. As you guys can tell, we love perfume. My jewelry. And to continue, here is my closet. It definitely fits my clothes, but there's no space for his clothes to fit. So these bins are also from IKEA. They store all my bags in this one, the ones that I don't really wear, and then just some scarves and winter sweaters that I don't wear often. And then a lot of clothes that are hanging are usually work clothes, since I do go to work 5 days of the week. And then here is a shoe stand that I put in there to help with the very, very unorganized shoe section. I got that one from Target, and it doesn't really hold much, but it does give the illusion that it's a bit more clean. Yeah, and so there's my robe that I love to sleep in. Or not sleep, I would actually sweat my ass off. That's what I like to walk around in the house. This lovely guy is so old I have no idea where it's from. It's college days, no idea, sorry. Here's another artificial fig tree that I got from Home Goods. Shout out to Home Goods. They have a lot of plants I highly recommend. And if you see one and you like one, don't question it, buy it, or else it's gone. I love this one. So yeah, that's that space. That side of the bedroom. Alright guys, that is it for the apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it and loved the decorations. I will go ahead, like I said earlier, have things linked in the description box. If not, please don't hate me. Go ahead and ask your questions in the comment section and I will go ahead and answer them. I have to say a lot of the inspiration and ideas that I got came from Instagram or Pinterest. I tend to save things and create folders to help kind of mold this vision that I have. I absolutely love this apartment. It has been good to us. I can't believe that it's been a year almost. So if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.